Hello my people, welcome back to Sheillah's kitchen. Today we're making beef stew in another way. Let's see how it goes. In our pan we will heat 3 tablespoons of oil, add some turmeric and our cleaned beef. Add some salt to taste. Mix them well. Let the turmeric mix evenly in the meat, and we will cover it and let it cook until brown. You see our beef has cooked until brown. Then we'll set it aside. In the same oil, we start frying our onions. Please guys, if it's your first time in my channel, thank you so much for coming. Thank you for watching, and I will appreciate if you subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. So let's continue frying the onion plus the crushed garlic. Then we'll add our tomatoes. As you can see in the video, I cut some fresh chili, the green chilies, but that's optional for those who don't like spicy meals. So let's our tomatoes cook. As you can see, our tomatoes are really cooked well. Let's give them a good mix. Then here comes in our beef. Just mix it well and let it cook for 1 minute. Like that. We'll add some spices. I added onion powder and paprika. That's more onion powder, it was not coming out, so I decided to just open it. We'll add a little water for the gravy, and we let it cook for 1 minute at least. Like that. Then we'll add our beef Royco cubes to add more flavor in our stew. We'll mix it and let it cook a little bit. We'll let it cook for maybe 1 minute. Then our stew is ready. Our beef stew is ready. Please go try this recipe. You don't have to be boiling your meat every day. And we'll finish up with the coriander. And our stew is ready, as you can see. Looking very yummy and delicious. I served mine with ugali and sukuma wiki. You're all welcome. Let's enjoy these amazing meals. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more amazing recipes. And please let me know in the comment section where you're watching from and what should we cook next. Bye bye.